Okay, Lindsay, you're going to give us a little tour of the room that we've got. What we'll do is, we've just got here, so before we mess the room up, we'll show a little tour of the room, and then we'll do the rest of the hotel tomorrow or another day.
Right,
okay?
So this is the front door. Then we've got into the bathroom, our shower room. We have a nice sink, toilet and shower. And it looks like everything's...
Toiletries provided.
Yeah.
So you didn't need to buy any shampoo, Lindsay.
No, well, you watch.
Never mind.
Watch the space.
Lovely shower.
Yep.
Toilet, what we got? We have got a shaving mirror. We've got a hairdryer.
Got everything we need.
Towels provided. A few lotions and soaps there. Hand soap. A couple of glasses. Very nice. Nicely done.
We've got...
Coat hook.
Yeah, coat hook. A coat hook. I think this might be the wardrobe, look. We've got a wardrobe.
Open that up then, let's have a look. Yeah, built-in wardrobe, hanging space.
Slippers.
Oh, look at this. Posh or what? We've got slippers.
Oh, yeah, we got wardrobe space. Definitely got wardrobe space.
Okay.
Yeah. Have we got a...
Decent sized bed. It's not massive, but it's big enough for two littlings like us, I think. Yeah?
Yeah.
You've got your side, I've got mine.
We've got a fridge and a bottle opener.
Right.
Is it
anything in the fridge?
Got a bottle of water.
Any beer?
No.
Just a bottle of water?
Bottle of water.
Okay, fair enough.
Which is glass and it's chilled. So.
Lovely.
And we've got...
Tea and coffee?
Well, I can't work that out. We seem to have coffee mugs. But
we've got mugs, but no...
Nothing to put in it.
Nothing to put in it. Right, fair enough.
Unless that tells you what you need to do.
I bet that does. I bet that tells you what you need to do. Get it from reception. Yeah, look.
What's it say?
Water is complimentary. Complimentary. If you like the glasses, you can take them as a souvenir, but we'll charge you €5. Right. That doesn't tell you what you've got to do. So we've got mugs, but no tea or coffee. We've got a kettle, no tea or coffee.
We'll have to ask.
Okay. What we got? What's this?
That's a rack for your luggage.
How's that? All right. Yeah.
Put your suitcase on that.
Okie dokie.
It's a bit dirty.
Ah, it's nice enough, isn't it? It's not massive,
clean?
but what do you need for a city break? We won't be in here much, will we, really?
No.
Nice.
Right. So there we have it.
Well, open the curtains, Lindsay, because look, we should have...
We have.
A little bit of a balcony. Here we go. Little balcony.
And we are
so we've got
the front of the hotel.
Yeah, it's on
a
busy road, but
so it tells me we'll get woken up in the morning.
No. Oh, I can see a bar over there, Lindsay.
Well, come on then. Let's
Look
wrap
at
this up
this.
and let's go.
Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? I like it.
Right.
Bit of a busy road, but it's not going to bother us, is it?
No, it's not.
Not going to bother us at all.
Come on then.
Fabulous. Okay, so that's the room. We'll show you around the rest of the hotel during the daytime. So join us now. What's happening?
Well, there was a load of people, but they've just gone into the church. I think there's a christening going. Yeah. But I've just realised there's a lemon tree down here.
Nice.
A lemon tree.
Good.
And the sun is trying to come out